Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey ForexMilitia, Parsival, and we have the Trademiner picks of the week, and we're starting out with stocks because there was no futures, there was no Forex trades of the week, so we're starting with stocks, and we have CRM, Salesforce, bullish, 11 years with an 81% win rate. I didn't process the probability, and gold on futures, the February contract, and that's 10 years with an 80% win rate with a probability of low. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the charts. Short video. All right, so we have Salesforce. Basically right now it's in a downtrend, and so coming into next year, it's looking like it's predicting that it should rally some. So we'll see what actually happens with that. And with gold basically, I had a trade idea from Trademiner to actually open today, so I will do that. And then this is the second one, so it's basically all within the same time range. So it's 2, so I might just open another one coming into this one. I will just open another one coming into this one. So I'm going to basically scale in on that one. All right, and so that is basically the Trademiner picks. Let's get into the review. And we didn't even get to this one. The JP Morgan being bullish. That's December 21st. That's in the middle of this week. And on the euro is bullish. All right, and that's a taker to today. And Amgen is supposed to be bullish, but right now it's in a downtrend. So we'll have to look to see if that actually turns around before I basically take that. And the dollar yen is supposed to be bearish, but right now it's looking very bullish. So that's very interesting. We'll see how that plays out. And Honeywell, I think this is the last one I'm going to basically look at. It's predicting that it's going to be bullish, but right now it's looking very bearish. This is just probably a pullback before it actually rallies, because my indicators are indicating that this is in a long position. The crossover of the 250, the 50 over the 250, it's a very bullish sign. Pretty much a golden cross in my analysis. All right. Okay, so that's basically it. And I will say there are links in the description to Trademiner, SeasonX, which is a web-based seasonality predictor. And then there's EA Builder, which will help you build MetaTrader 4 and then MetaTrader 5 trading bots, EAs. All right, so knowledge is power. Be power hungry. Power to the people. And this is Parsival signing out.